Guinness are back in town.
Yeah, Freestyle Friday 14, E-double. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning. What a beautiful day here in Dublin. Sun's out, double denim's on, and we're off to the Guinness experience. We've arrived.
I did go live for the whole experience. You can check that out in the description below.
We're here at the Guinness experience. Are you excited, Luke?
I am, yeah.
It looks class.
They start the experience off by showing how Guinness was made all the way from the beginning when it was barley.
We've just seen the barley and stuff, like where it's all starts.
So immersive in it, you know, with the music. It's like the whole lights change. It's just like, oh, it's really settled.
That would be so nice to listen to when you fall asleep. Oh, it's beautiful. That does feel like ASMR.
I just love the aesthetics of these rooms and the way they presented the facts about the Guinness. There's 3.4 quadrillion yeast cells in every Guinness.
Jeez.
And it is stored at minus 196 degrees Celsius in liquid nitrogen.
This is really cool.
For the next part of the tour, we were entering the roasting area. The temperature of the Guinness barley must be roasted at exactly 232 degrees, no higher, no lower. Otherwise, if you go too high, it will set on fire. And if you go too low, you won't get that chocolatey taste. The display was showing all the temperatures of how it would look with the barley.
Wow, I love the Irish accent being said. What I really like though is it's showing the process of how it's done from the beginning all the way through.
It even goes through temperature, you know, like Mills temperature. It's so precise how the process, and they just like want to take us through the full experience.
These are all the seeds of what the barley would look like after it's been roasted.
How much was the tickets?
Oh, I think we're like £28 each.
28
That's
pounds.
with the stout that we're getting. So I think that's an actual, what it's like what it really wants. So.
Yeah.
And the experience is completely worth it, as you'll see throughout the video.
Like, yeah, it's worth it. It's worth going. How many floors is it? Look at this. It's massive. Now this is a brewery tour, Guinness tour.
Just that blend of like modern immersion with like traditional like old like tools and distilleries and experience. I think it's just like it mixes everything together, like what you want to see. The real life tools and what's traditionally used compared to like a more like an immersive like modern experience. So I think it's really blends well. The barrels, the pipes, all with like the modern lighting.
I'll be rating this tour quite high.
We were heading to the tasting rooms.
Oh, I can smell that. Ooh, I love it. Love a bit of Guinness.
Roasted walnuts and like roasted like almonds together.
Yeah.
That's fresh smell of it.
We love it. To be fair, I haven't drank as much Guinness in my life as I have on this trip. And I've only had 4.
A bullshit. A bullshit. A bullshit.
So we're gonna go try some Guinness now, guys. We're gonna go try it. Get our opinions. This is what we come for. The free booze. Well, not even free. Complimentary booze.
Going down the tunnels. Really looking forward to trying it from the factory.
Okay, now I have a question for you. What is the color of the Guinness? Wow, congratulations. You win this amazing glass of Guinness. Okay, in a few minutes you'll be invited to the bar to collect your glass. If you look under 25, we may ask for your ID. Don't be offended if we ask for your ID, and don't be offended if we don't ask, of course. And the second one, please don't drink your sample here, because in the other room my colleague will teach you how to drink the Guinness like an expert. Thank you so much, have a nice day, enjoy.
Thank you. It's beer time, guys, beer time.
I think it'll taste that much better with the smell, the aroma you get through. I think it'll taste that extra nicer.
Opening up the airways before trying the Guinness was very important to do before that almighty taste test.
That is good. All the glory.
Being the raging alcoholic that I am, I couldn't wait to have my Guinness.
Taste test, here we go. Ooh, that is a strong one. We like that.
That's fresh.
That is a fresh one.
Kind of ruined it for myself for doing it too early. I was meant to do it in this room we've gotten to now, to taste the Guinness the correct way.
Scientifically proven that that beer tastes 5 times better whenever I say so.
Oh, already started.
How are you feeling today?
Yay!
How many of you want to do is bring your glasses up to your nose and taking a deep breath? Then whenever you feel comfortable, just take a generous mouthful and allow the beer to breathe for 3 seconds.
I don't think that was 3 seconds, Roop.
And breathe out through your nose. Now you should be able to taste at the tip of your tongue a very faint, very subtle sweetness. That's going to be the malted barley.
Definitely.
On the sides, a very rich and creamy aroma, very similar to a coffee. That's going to be the roasted barley. And at the back, you should be tasting the bitterness from the hops. Before you go, does anyone here know the Irish word for cheers?
Oh, I don't know.
What's that again? Sláinte, very good.
Sláinte.
You want to raise your glasses in 3, 2, 1.
Sláinte!
We don't like just so we just taste the froth and it'd be bitter. Get a good mouthful and then like just like breathe out your nose. You get that sweetness and the bitterness at the same time.
Oh, it's brilliant. I was like, such a good taste. Did you enjoy that, Joe?
Oh, it was nice that, yeah. It did exactly as you said. You've got to get through the froth, don't you, though? That's the main thing. And then
I think I was a bit too early. I just downed it rather than like... Yeah.
No.
Oh, this is all the things on telly?
As you can see, we're entering the advertising area. You've got the ostrich, you've got the seal, you've got lots of different advertisements that they showed on TV. Oh, he's so iconic. Of course, it was time for a photo opportunity. Smile for the thumbnail.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Let's have a look. Oh, that's sick.
Of course, more photos. It's what you do when you're a tourist.
I like that. That's good, that. Oh, trust you to carry it wrong.
I don't think I've seen anything more strange in my life than a fish on a bike.
Guys, don't forget to follow.
Subscribe right now.
Oh, mate, you need to make like your photo. You know when someone follows on Twitch and that pops up, you need to make like your picture.
Oh, I shall. Yeah, we're almost near the top, guys, so I think we've got 2 more floors. It's been incredible so far. I love like seeing everything about it. It's been brilliant. It kind of makes me miss like these holidays and stuff.
For the next part of the experience, we went to go get a picture-perfect pint, where they take a photo of you or your group, and then they print it on the Guinness.
Thank you. Hey, so you get a picture, guys, and then it gets printed onto the beer.
Say hello.
Thank you very much.
You on the stream now?
Getting other people to hold the camera when we're doing things.
So now it was time to get the photo that had just been taken, printed onto the Guinness.
That is friggin' awesome.
Cheers.
Zoom all in the top, mate. If we go through all the top to get the taste.
Woo! Oh, it stays. That is class. That is awesome, guys. I'm loving it. Look at the detail on that. How good is that?
The detail on these drinks was beautiful, but we went to sit down and finish off the stream. But little did we know that there was a lot more to the experience after we finished the stream. You cannot go to the Guinness experience without going to the Gravity Bar.
That is sick.
Behold the Gravity Bar.
Honestly, guys, this is an amazing experience. You get 2 beers, and then you get a small sample beer as well, which you taste, and you do the full taste test as well.
It's just a great finish to the whole event.
Boys are back in town. Mate, how's your hop house?
Oh, I actually really like it. It's nice, a nice Guinness down where I got the stouty. By getting the top house and the gravity bar. I think what this gravity bar is just the cherry on top of this whole like immersive experience. You know, we just went to all the museum, had a nice beer, seen the tour, come to this gravity bar, just seen the whole skyline of Dublin, seen all the cities in the just seen everything. It's just like that bar and cherry on top of this whole day. So
It's going to speak about Dublin, right? It's a capital city, but it's not like London where it's full of skyscrapers and like tower blocks and that. It's just like a town, like, you know.
It's good, isn't it?
Small building, you know what I mean? Like, that's what throws me off about it all.
I think the boys have summed it up really well there. The Guinness experience had everything from being educational to also a social aspect as well, and also having some drinks at the end But yeah, it's been a fantastic experience. I'd have to give it a 9 out of 10. But don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.